Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to factory reset Windows 11. So if you have made your mind to reset the Windows 11, then I'll show you how it can be done. So simply go to the desktop and then you have to simply go to the settings. You can find this option in the Windows icon. After that, you will see the settings gets open. Then you have to click onto this option systems and these system settings will come up. You have to scroll down and click onto this option recovery. As you click onto this option, then you will see this option reset this PC. You can click on this option reset PC. As you click onto it, it will ask you like if you want to delete your data or you want to keep the files. So you can choose any one of these options. If you have selected to keep the files, then it will take a while and will ask you if you want to save it locally or through the cloud services. So simply select the option, then after it will just take a while it show you these options. You can click on to the option next and it will prepare the backup. Also, if the battery is low, it will show you that the battery is low. You have to plug in the charger, so you have to simply do that, and after that you have to click on this option next, and it will ask you some of these options like the additional settings. You can read all that, and once you okay, click on next. Then it will again take a while in processing everything, and once everything gets done, you will be able to reset your PC. So simply click onto this option reset, and after that your Windows will get reset. So that's how you will be able to reset your Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.